In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to Webflow, easiest way. We'll use a simple widget so you can get real customer feedback showing on your site without touching complex code. First, open your Webflow project and head to the page where you want the reviews to appear. Keep that tab open. We'll come back to it in a moment. Now, in a new tab, go to ElfSite. On their homepage, click Explore Widgets. Then find and select Google Reviews. Click Create Widget for free to spin up a starter widget. When the setup finishes, click View Widget to open the preview. You'll see a live example with default styling. Use the on-screen controls to choose a layout and adjust the look to match your site. If you're prompted to pick a location, search for your business name as it appears on Google and confirm it, so the widget can pull your actual reviews. A quick tip: keep the number of reviews and layout conservative at first. You can always expand later. With the widget preview ready, go to the installation area and open Embed Code. This is where ElfSite gives you a small snippet that will render the reviews on your site. Copy that entire code snippet to your clipboard. If you encounter a pricing prompt, follow the on-screen instructions and choose the option that fits your needs. The code snippet remains the same. Switch back to your Webflow designer. Open the Add panel and search for the embed element. Click it, then drag and drop it exactly where you want the reviews to appear, inside a section, container, or grid that aligns with your page structure. Once the embed element is placed, open its code editor, paste the code you copied from ElfSite, and save. Publish your site to see the widget in action on the live page. Some scripts don't fully render inside the designer preview, so checking the published URL is the best way to confirm everything looks right. One important note: the code embed element requires a paid Webflow account or an active site plan. If you're on a free plan and don't see embed available, you'll need to upgrade before the widget will display on your live site. If the reviews don't appear immediately, clear your cache or try a private window and double-check that you pasted the full code. You can return to ElfSite anytime to tweak styles, star filters, or layout. Your site will update automatically after you publish again. That's it. Your Google reviews are now integrated into Webflow, the